So, sooner than I thought, we're back with another progress video here. The electrical in this room is done, and it's a little different than I originally anticipated it being because this section of wall is a lot shorter than I thought. So, what we did is we started by putting this thing to this elbow out of this old box and then making sure this was all level. So we got one on this wall. And then we came around the corner. This piece here is almost the exact same length as that piece over there, so those are pretty much right across from each other. You'll notice we did reduce from the 4 to the 2. That's because I figured we're adding 4 more outlets, like 4 more boxes. Do we really need 16 more plugs in this room? No, so there's 8 more. That should be enough, since there's already 8 on that wall, so we doubled the number. So we got 2 there. Come on, there we go. 2 there. Then 2 there. And then we got a 49-inch length of conduit, then another one, then another 49 inches, then another one. Now why? I don't know. I just felt like that one should be there, and that one was already there, and then I just centered this one between the two. So they're about 4 feet apart. So pretty much all I did, obviously, you have, where's the wire? You got the wire like this with the little, the wire inside of the thing. And then you use the clampy clamps and you pull it. And then for connectors, I use these, which I've been using quite a bit. They're pretty good. Better than wire nuts because the wires clip in and then they're in. So there's like a jumble of them in there because I used a 3 connector in there before, and I obviously needed to have 4 wires in there. 1 to each outlet, 1 supply, and then 1 coming out. So that one now has a weird little jumble in it, but it doesn't matter, it still works. And then the rest of them, I just hit my head on the duct. That's the one downside of this space. There's like this is eye level. And this is right there. So, these just have more of those in there. So you got your supply coming in and out. That takes up 2 of the spaces, and there's another one with the wires going to the outlet. Now, I'm going to show you something right here. If it'll focus, I don't know if it will. Let's see. Let's see if we can get it to... But you can see there's a bit of a Bernie explosion-y thing on there. That's not supposed to be there. That happened because I'm an idiot. And because I haven't worked on the basement in a while, for some reason I thought that the lights and all the electrical were on one circuit, and they're not. So I turned the light circuit off, left the electrical circuit on, and then cut through one of the wires... to the supply wire that goes to those 2 outlets so that I could make the new jumble in there. So luckily, I was holding onto the insulated part of the handles, and it cut through the wire. There was a pop, and then it was cut through, and the breaker also went, so I didn't get electrocuted, but I could have. That's why... Man, I'm not going to be able to find that thing, right? Because I'm trying to find it, in real time. I'm going to look for, 5 seconds. Okay, I found it. So, this thing right here, I don't remember if I've ever put a video, but see how it's green? That means there's no electricity. So, if you take it and you put it in here, see, there's electricity. Now, the reason that it doesn't go green here... it's kind of weird because the ungrounded outlets in the house, it would go red right now, but they have those little safety things in there where you actually have to put force to actually activate it. There's a little plastic thing in there. I don't know. But either way, always check for voltage before you cut a wire so you don't die. That's today's tip. So... what's left to do in here? We got to get some kind of wood paneling to put on here. I still want to build the closet wall. I kind of have some boards down to illustrate where the wall is going to go. I think I have enough studs left over from building those walls to actually finish the closet wall. And then I'll just have to put wood paneling on this. And then at some point buy more stuff to finish this wall. Which I don't know how I'm going to do this wall because I don't want to cover that window up. So that would be kind of weird. But I'll figure it out. That or I just won't make a wall, and that wall is going to end awkwardly at the corner. Or I'll make the wall go all the way across, but I really don't want to because it's just probably not necessary. Because I probably will put a wall here, and I'll just have to do something weird when I get up to this height, like maybe make a shelf or something. I don't know. We'll figure it out. I'll figure it out. I'm one person, not two. Okay, and no one else is helping me, so there's no we. But whatever, it doesn't matter. Point is, the electrical in here is done. I did not die, although I almost potentially could have. So what that means is once I get the closet wall done, I can clean up this entire mess, and then this room would actually probably be potentially usable. But that's it for today.